All right, our first example for quadratics, it says find the equation of a parabola whose vertex is 1, -4 and passes through the point 2, -1. So it's telling us the vertex, and it's also telling us a point on the quadratic function. And remember, parabolas are the shape of a quadratic, so we know it's a quadratic. So we have three formula options that we can use. We can use standard form, vertex form, or factored form. I am going to use vertex form because it gave me the vertex. So just to remind ourselves what vertex form is, it is y equals a x minus x1 squared plus y1. And x1 and y1 are the vertex. So our step one is to plug in the vertex. Plug in vertex. So I have y equals a x minus 1 squared, and then it'd be plus a -4, so I'm just going to write -4. In order to have the equation, any equation always has x and y's in it, and that should be all it has. So right now you guys see this a. What I need to do is I need to solve for a. The way I solve for a is I plug in the other piece of information that I was given. So plug in given point. For x and y. Okay, so I would take, this is my x and this is my y. So I put -1 in for y. I don't know a yet, but I would plug in 2 minus 1 squared minus 4. Okay, and now from here I have enough information to solve for a. So I go ahead and solve for a. So I have -1 equals a. Then I have 2 minus 1, so 1 squared is 1. So 1 times a is just a, so I'm just going to have a. And then from here I'd add 4 to the other side, which gives me 3. So a is equal to 3. And then our final step is to go ahead and write the equation. And so our equation in vertex form would be y equals our a value, 3. And then in parentheses, I'm plugging it back into here, just so we kind of know. The one with the vertex, x minus 1 squared minus 4. Here is my quadratic in vertex form, and you can leave it in vertex form, okay? Common things that people make mistakes on. One, they don't write this square here, okay? The other thing is they find a and then they just rewrite this equation, okay? So make sure you actually plug in what a is so that we have that. And then every equation, you guys should have an x and y, and so we need to rewrite it with the x and y in it, not the specific one for this situation. Okay, so there's our example 2.